Everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth connectivity problems on Huawei and its procedures and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first thing what you have to do is you just have to check if your device is running on power saving mode, and if it is running in the power saving mode, definitely you will be having the trouble. So you have to make sure it is not running in the power saving mode. So definitely if it is running in the power saving mode, you will be having the Bluetooth issue. Moving on to the next one is all about you have to check if any form of radiation level around your device is too high, which means if anything is, for example, as you said earlier, if any kind of these things are affecting, then definitely you will be having the trouble, but it won't happen in cases, but you have to make sure. And also the reason to this problem is nothing but hiding the visibility of your Bluetooth connection around it. So as you can see, if you go over here, so we have options like this, right? So you have to keep over here, as well as you will be having the options. And also, as you can see, you have to be very much aware of these things. For example, if you go over here in the Bluetooth, you'll be having the options like this. So you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for other devices, so or else you'll be having the trouble. So which is very important, which you have to take care of it. So this is what you have to do. And also you have to make sure that these things are working fine and it is visible for other devices when you're trying to send the file. And also check and make sure the data which you are exchanging is not supported by any of the devices. So if you are sending from one of the other devices, and if your Huawei is not supporting, then you will not be able to receive it, so you'll be having the issue. In the same way, the both device should be supporting with the images. That's what you have to do. And also moving on, the problem could be this: due to the imposing of any form of restrictions on your devices can also be an issue. And also the reason you have to face this problem is nothing but incompatibility of the Bluetooth version on both the devices. So that can also be an issue. And also, as you can see in the latest devices, the Bluetooth is running on the latest version, so even in some cases it can happen. And also you might be facing the problem just because your device is having something wrong with the Bluetooth antenna. So you have to check, which means it depends on the hardware part, which you have to check on that. So even in some cases, due to some hardware issues, this can happen. And make sure the problem is not there just because your Huawei, which is running right now, or your devices, is not having any kind of problem with the software update. So if you're having any kind of updates on your software, then definitely you will be having the issue. So in that situation, what you have to do is just have to make sure on the settings, and you just have to scroll down, and you have to go for over here on the system updates, and you have to check for software update, and you have to go for and see whether you are on the latest versions. And if you're having any kind of updates, you have to go for the updates. This is what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to clear the cache data of the devices. Sometimes this can fix the issue. And also make sure this problem is not just caused because you imposed the time limit on your Bluetooth connection, as I said earlier. If that can also bring the issue. And also you have to, sometimes this problem is also just caused by the presence of any virus. This can also happen in between because of any kind of virus. So that is also very important. So if you are downloading any kind of files from third-party websites or third-party applications, so definitely, as I said earlier, for the Realme as well as for the Redmi and all those things, you'll be having the issue on the virus. So the malwares can cause the issue. So you have to make sure that part also. And also the reason to this problem is nothing but the pairing devices is not very correctly to each other. So as I said earlier, you have to bring a little bit closer, so then only you will be able to send the files. If it is too far away, definitely there will be an issue. So that's also important. And also you have to check if there is any kind of storage issue on both the devices. For example, if you're sending the files, you have to make sure the opposite devices is having the enough storage, or if the particular person is sending you any kind of files, you have to make sure that you're having enough storage over here, or else you both will be having the trouble. So you have to make sure you're having the storage. So that's part also important. And also you have to do a basic reboot if this is not working and you have tried all these things and it's not working. Then I suggest you guys, you have to go for a basic reboot. Sometimes by doing a reboot, the issue can be fixed, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.